Changing your verification method on Coinbase is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Coinbase website or app and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the menu icon, depending on the platform you are using. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Settings menu, find the option labeled Security or Security Settings. Click on it to access your current verification methods. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. Within the Security Settings, look for the section that lists your current verification methods. Here, you can select the method you want to change or add a new one. Step 5. Follow the prompts. After selecting your desired verification method, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. This may involve verifying your identity through email, SMS, or an authentication app. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Make sure to review your settings periodically to ensure your account remains secure.